That was the time when we launched the digital mindset book, and I was talking to people, and everyone's like, exhaustion, exhaustion, exhaustion. And the phrase and the terminology was just permeating every discourse, right? The Wall Street Journal wrote an article about it. The World Health Organization published a report about it. So it entered into the sort of current thinking. And what's interesting to me is that those numbers haven't receded since then. And I expected that when we returned to the office somewhat, or we had more hybrid work schedules, or people became more accustomed to being on these tools all day long, we would see a dip. And that hasn't happened. And I think it's just because we are now in this world in which all the expectations that we had about a line between work and non-work and availability and response were completely obliterated during COVID. And even if our bodies now are back in the office, our minds are still trapped in the web somewhere.